Hey everyone, welcome to the first video of our Introduction to Python Programming course. My name is Dhiransh and I will be your instructor in this course. We will be running this course in both English and Hindi medium, so if you want to switch languages, you can tap on the I button on the top right corner and go to another language playlist. In this video, we will be talking about the goal of this course, why you should learn Python, topics we will be learning in this course, and some important information. So, the basic goal of this course is to teach everybody how to program code regardless of their background. I don't believe that you should be a mathematical expert or a computer genius to code, no matter how old you are or what your degree is. The only thing that matters is your hard work and interest towards it. Well, before knowing why you should learn Python, let us first understand what a computer or programming language is. So, a language is a system of communication consisting of words used in a structured and conventional way. Like right now, I am using English to communicate with you guys. Same like this, we have computer or programming languages to communicate with computer. There are basically two types of programming languages, high level language and low level languages. Low level languages, also known as machine languages, are the ones which are closer to machines, whereas high level languages are the languages which are closer to humans. So, by this we can say that the main difference between high level languages and low level languages is that programmers can easily understand or interpret or compile the high level languages in comparison to machines. Other than this, high-level languages use a compiler or an interpreter for translation, whereas low-level languages use assembler for translation. We will be learning about compilers and interpreters in upcoming videos. Some examples of high-level languages are Python, Java, C, and C++. So, now the main question is why you should learn Python. There are so many other programming languages in the market, then why to prefer it? Why not to go for Java, C or C++? So, as you can see on the screen, the growth of Python is really too fast, and the reason for its rapid growth is use of Python in so many domains. For example, you can use Python in machine learning, deep learning, data analysis, artificial intelligence, desktop applications, and web development. Many big companies like YouTube, Instagram, Quora, Google, etc. use Python. So, for making things easier for you, I have divided this whole course into different chapters. We will be learning these chapters one by one. We will be starting with basics of Python, then strings, then conditional and loops, functions, list, tuples, dictionaries, data modeling, sets, list comprehension, dictionary comprehension, sets comprehension, advanced flexible functions, lambda expressions, advanced built-in functions, decorators, generators, OOP basic, OOP advanced, working with files, working with CSV files, Python modules, GUI programming with Tincter, web scraping, database in Python, working with PDF files, cryptography, and then discussion what to do after this course. Now, some important information. If you want to download the material for the video, go in the description panel and there you will be finding the link of it. If you have any questions or queries, you can ask us in the comment section. If you want to contact me directly, we have given link of our Discord server down below. You can join it and contact me there. There will be number of courses running parallelly here on this channel. So if you are studying while we are uploading the videos, please refer the playlist for it. If you want to join our Shapen Academy, the link for joining the academy is given in the description too. In our Shapen Academy, we mainly teach and mentor people for coding and all. If you want to join our team or want to take lectures on our channel, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number given in the description. So that is all for this video. We will be starting our course from the next video. Till then, thanks for watching this video. We'll see you soon.